Hey, how's it going? It's me, Mario, and I'm excited to give you a full demo of our brand new White Label Studio app package, okay? Now, this is the first time ever that anyone in general, and especially on JVZoo, is offering you 4 different battle-tested agency apps for one low price, including resale rights and with a white label dashboard so that you can sell these apps under your name and brand and you can keep all of the profits, okay? All 4 of them for one low price with white label. That is unheard of. So as you can tell, I'm really pumped. So let's get right to the good stuff, right? This is the dashboard right here, and you can obviously customize your profile. Here on the left-hand side, you can check out the training and support. But the best part is these 4 apps right here, where you can click here on login, and then it's going to log you right into the software, right? And there's 4 different ones. My Virtual Tours, which creates 360 virtual tours. Videos Agency, which creates animated niche videos. Videomatic, which creates interactive videos where you can add your own call to action. And Easy Banners Pro, which helps you to create graphics and banners that you can sell to local businesses, right? Now, if I click here on login, it's going to take me over to that website, okay? So here I am inside of My Virtual Tours, and I'm going to show you the most exciting part, white label dashboard, here in just a second. But I also want you to understand that you get access as a user to all 4 of these apps, okay? So you can use these apps for your own business, okay? And you can use it for clients, but you can also white label them and resell them, right? So for example, if I click here on projects, just to give you a quick example, you can see some of the projects right here. I can check this one out, for example. And now you see that we have a full-blown 360 tour right here. I can add a call to action. I can even turn on live chat right here. You can add videos in here. You can add calls to action, a map, whatever it is. You can use this as a user and resell this to your clients, right? So I just want you to understand that this is something that you use as a user for all 4 of the apps, right? But the most exciting part is if I click here on white label, that brings up the white label dashboard. Now check this out. Here's where I can actually customize the members area so that, for example, instead of My Virtual Tours up here, it would show your logo, right? Now, if you grab the basic package, you're gonna be able to white label the brand name right here. Okay, here, for example, if I say your agency name here, okay, you get to white label that. You also get to white label the logo, so you can upload your own logo right here. And then also you're going to be able to set up your own subdomain right here. And if you want to, you can even set up your own custom domain, all right? All these white label features are going to be available for all 4 of the apps with your basic package. If you decide to upgrade to one of our advanced white label packages, then you can also customize right here the welcome URL, the bonuses URL, the upgrade URL, training URL, and you can even have your own SMTP, which means your own email server, right? So this is really for people who want to take it to the next level. But just in general, if you just grab the main package, you can customize, like I said, the brand name and the logo and also the domain. So that way everyone is going to see your branding when they log into the software, right? We obviously encourage you though to check out the upgrades as well, because it's going to help you to take it to the next level. So this is the white label dashboard. Super easy. You just enter your information right here, customize it, and you are good to go. You save it, and then you can resell this software right here, My Virtual Tours, which is a beautiful, high quality, battle tested software under your name and brand, and you keep all the profits, right? If I give you another example, this right here is Videos Agency. It's our video builder. So for example, I can click here on templates. And then here you can see many of the templates that we have. You can see different categories like restaurant, travel, wedding, real estate, contractor, sport, business, and you can customize these videos. They're all animated. You can customize them for your clients and you can sell to your clients. But here's the best part. You can click here on white label and the same white label dashboard is going to show up where you can then customize it, upload your own logo and sell this under your name and brand. If I click here on manage users and then I click on create a new user, you can now actually add your clients here as well, so that your clients get their own login and they can log in and use the software, and that way you can even charge them a monthly fee and you can build continuity income, right? And remember, if I go back here to the master dashboard, you get access to all 4 of these as a user. You get white label dashboard for all 4 of them, and you can resell it to clients to all 4 of them. Now, just remember, if you were going to just buy My Virtual Tours by itself with white label rights individually and resale rights, you would pay $397. But today, during this launch, and that's why I'm so pumped, you can get all 4 of them with full access, resale rights, and white label dashboard. That is unheard of, and that's why I'm so excited about this, right? Now, also a cool fact is the login that you use to log into this master dashboard right here is going to be the same login information that you use to log in to these right here. So it's the same login, and once you're logged in, it's going to remember you, so you don't have to log in all the time. And then we have some upgrades available as well, where we provide you with a sales page and even marketing assets like a brochure and a business card. and also some banner ads that are done for you so that you can have an easy time actually selling these services to clients. That's an upgrade that you can check out inside of the funnel, right? Here on the left-hand side, we have bonuses for you. We have training videos for you. We have a support URL as well, if you get stuck with anything, right? So that pretty much wraps it up. I'm not going to give you a demo right now of each of these apps. That's beyond the scope of this video. On the sales page, feel free to check out the demo video. We have a demo video for each of these. This is a great package for video marketers, for local marketers, for online marketers, for coaches and consultants in any way, and anybody who wants to have their own software agency and their own software as a service, right? So I hope it all makes sense. I mean, I'm super pumped about it. I can't wait to see you inside of the members area, and we really try to create massive, incredible value, giving you 4 agency apps that are battle tested, that are well supported with white label dashboard and with resale rights as well. I think it's a total no-brainer, and I can't wait to see you inside the members here. Thank you so much for watching. Take action right now. Click on the button on this page, and I can't wait to see you inside. Talk soon.